If you want to do a quick search of the worksheet or workbook, hold Control and press F. This will open the Find and Replace dialog box. You can then search for a keyword like something like Toyota and click Find, and it'll take you to that next part in the worksheet where the word Toyota is located. You can also do a search for a keyword throughout the workbook, not just the active sheet that you're on. To do this, click on the Options button when in the Find and Replace dialog box, and then click on the drop-down for Within and change it to say Workbook instead of just Sheet, and then press Find All. What this will do is it'll look for the word Toyota, but it won't just look on the current tab. It'll look throughout the entire workbook to see if that word is contained elsewhere in many of the other tabs that you have. And when you press Find All, it'll list out each individual location where that word is located. And you can click on any of them to have the function take you to that specific location in the workbook.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.